If you're searching for a smartphone with amazing camera quality, that can even rival the iPhone, then you need to check out this Nokia smartphone right now. According to the latest reports, Nokia is packing this incredible device with a 200 megapixel DSLR quality camera, and a massive 7900 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia X400 Ultra 5G. In today's video, we'll dive deep into this phone's full features, price, and launch date. So let's get started. Features of Nokia X400 Ultra. Display. When it comes to specs, this smartphone is a beast. It flaunts a stunning 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. Plus, it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6, making it tough against drops and scratches. And guess what? It also comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP68 water and dust resistance, so no worries about spills or rain. Next level camera setup. Now, let's talk about the real star of the show, the camera. This phone delivers DSLR level photography with its insane 200 megapixel primary sensor. But that's not all, you also get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, an 8 megapixel macro lens, and for selfie lovers, a 50 megapixel front camera that'll make every shot Instagram worthy. Powerhouse performance. Under the hood, the Nokia X400 Ultra runs on the latest Android 16 OS, ensuring a smooth and futuristic user experience. And for raw power, it's equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 processor, meaning blazing fast speeds, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming. Battery that lasts forever. Worried about battery life? Don't be. This phone packs a monster 7900 mAh battery, so you can go days without charging. And when you do need a boost, 120-watt super fast charging will juice it up in no time, all through a Type-C port, of course. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Well, this beast is expected to be priced around $650, making it a premium yet competitive flagship. As for the launch, mark your calendars, Nokia could drop this game changer by the end of 2025.